Welcome back to Coyote Classics in Green, Iowa. Today we're going to be checking out and test driving this sweet 1976 Pontiac Trans Am. Dad's opened up the exhaust.
I didn't know it had cutouts.
Yeah, it's got electric exhaust cutouts on it. Chilly day here today, but at least the sun's shining.
This is a nice car.
Very nice car. Fast, fun to drive. Came in on trade. Previous owner spent about $30,000 between 2017 and 2019 doing the restoration. He had said he had the motor rebuilt, transmission rebuilt, and rear end gone through as well. The engine's a 400 Pontiac. It's got 6X heads. He said he bored it over too, but really fast, fun to drive car.
Air conditioning works. I mean, what a good car.
It is.
It's a factory black on black car as well.
Factory black on black. Original Trans Am, power steering, power brakes.
The paint on the outside of the car is gorgeous. If you look at the bottom of the hood, they did clear coat and stuff, but there's still little pits, and that's all it is pits in the paint. You know, they stripped it.
You're just on the hood.
Yeah, underneath. That's it. Nice looking inner fenders though. They took all that off, painted that, base coat, clear coat too.
Yep. And the paint was done in 2019, professionally done, so it's got 5 years on it now too, and it still looks, in my opinion, show quality. I mean, nothing's perfect, but it's got a really nice shine, straight body.
It's a good car.
It is. All the golden insignia, the 50th anniversary emblems too on the side.
So what's that?
The 50th anniversary emblems.
Of Pontiac, huh?
Yeah.
That's awesome. I didn't know that.
Yep, which I don't have the PHS docs on this one, so I can't verify that if it was a special edition anniversary car for sure, and unless we had those, but definitely factory black on black 76 TA.
Back of the hood fits perfect. Nice gaps all the way along here on this passenger side.
Yeah.
Bottom of the door fits nice.
I love the wheels too on these.
It's a gorgeous car.
Top of the dash is nice. Glass is clear.
D, there is some little, if you notice that, yeah, I don't know what it is, just some little tiny pits in the paint right here. Other than that, the paint's gorgeous. But like you said, nothing's perfect, no matter if you have something done. But laser straight, nice, straight paint and body.
Yeah, it is.
All new rubbers, all new felts. There's your corners of your doors. New door rubbers, door panels have been replaced.
Yep.
I like what they did here too. It's a custom door panel is what it is, D.
Yep.
Put that in there.
Yep. He's got them on both sides. Those are nice. Upgraded Pioneer radio. Dash is nice. He's got all new, gold dash and stuff decor. It's got the Hurst Shifter, which is a lot of fun to drive. You can go through the gears on it real nice. Seats are in good shape.
Looks like they replaced the carpet and scuff plates. And when they did the paint job, they did a gorgeous job on the door jamb paint. All that with the doors were taken off, fenders, hood, trunk, everything was done properly.
You want to hold that?
Sure.
Open the trunk.
There's this is what we're kind of tiny little blem right here. And this is what I was talking about on the roof. I don't know if Dalton's seen it, but right in this area right here, it's got some little blems there. Bottom of the trunk lid's beautiful. Did a nice job there. The trunk lid's rust free. Got all the correct stickers and stuff in it. And this, it's all dyno matted. Beautiful trunk floor, all dyno matted here. Just a nice soundproof.
Just because somebody messaged and asked, that's just cut for the spare tire.
Yeah.
And jack you're on there. Somebody asked that question on email in the pictures.
Okay. Back bumper's beautiful. Tail lights are excellent. All the Trans Am stickers and stuff like that are in great shape. Watch out. As we look up and down the driver's side, bottom of the quarter's awesome, over the wheel well is great. Front edge and back edge of the door line up beautifully. Like Dalton mentioned, the wheels, the decals.
Sharp.
Just sharp. Exactly right.
And it's nice that it's got air conditioning too.
Everyone gets these Trans Ams and paints them black, whether they came that way from the factory or not. So being an original black car with black interior is awesome. Back of the hood fits great. There's a tiny little scratch right there on the top of the fender. But when they did the sticker kit, they did a nice job on that. Really
Yeah,
lines
good.
up good. Getting the door, rocker. It's all good. Corner of the door, bottom of the door is all good. What do you think about these door panels, Dalt? They've got to be a custom with that.
Yeah.
You know, they didn't just put speakers in there.
No, they're a
that
custom.
was all made for that.
Yeah, they're a custom door panel.
Really fits good, works good. Seats are excellent. Door jamb paint's nice. Headliner's good. Dome light works. It's got some 6x9s in the back. Also vintage air. That's nice. Not just factory air, but it also has vintage air in it, which makes it so much better. Dash cap is nice. That's in good shape. Looks like our rear view mirror is super tight. Visors are nice and tight. Horn works. I like that the windows are manual.
Yeah, I do too. Power windows. Sometimes you're a pain in the ass.
The clock works, which is pretty cool. Factory tack. Oil pressure, we've got between 60 and 80 right now. Temperature gauge works, it's running a 150. Kind of got it warmed up there. Wipers are working. Volt gauge is working at 14 volts. Gas gauge works. There's your AC. Comes out of the dash nice. We don't need AC today,
No,
that's
we don't.
for sure. But it's histy.
I'm not sure. I've never tried that, but
Your exhaust cutouts right here. Loud exhaust isn't my thing, but it's cool. You can have whatever you want,
Exactly.
I guess. It's really quiet when it's not on. Pioneer CD player. Let's see if we got a. Yep, we got a station there. Yep. Go ahead and shut that off. Every single thing works on this car. Awesome. And I like factory shifters are awesome, but with this car, if you say, like you said, it's got a lot of power, it's kind of nice to have that.
yeah, it is.
That
It's fun
slapstick.
it's fun to go through. It's got some torque. It's a fun car.
Way torquey. Great oil pressure, like I said, too, almost 80 pounds. For a Pontiac, that's awesome, and it's warmed up, you know.
That's sweet. It's fun, isn't it?
Yeah, it's awesome. It's probably one of the fastest TAs I've been in a long time. Brakes are absolutely perfect. No pull left or right. Really nice pedal. Yeah, like you said. I love the shifter in here.
Yeah. Yeah, I do too.
4,500 RPM, 5, 6, shifted again.
Chirped me going to third. There's neutral. Yeah, even going into third, it scratched them.
This thing's nuts.
It is. It's wicked.
Definitely the fastest TA I've been in. 90 mile an hour, just like that. And here's your brakes.
It handles awesome.
I mean, that's what $30,000 spent got you.
Yeah,
I mean,
absolutely.
Awesome motor, tranny, rear end, brakes, suspension. No, we got it in drive. We're just going to drive it normal. Runs good, idle's good. As far as our idle, it's running about 800, 900 RPM. Speedometer works great. So this is just in drive, guys. You don't need to shift it that way. Look at that.
It's got a nice
Rips
little
it in
shift
a
in
second.
it.
No hands on the wheel this whole time.
Even a third gear chirp.
Look at
That's
that.
awesome.
Still no hands.
What a car.
100 mile an hour, no hands from 0 to 100, not touching the steering wheel one time.
And it didn't waver. What a car.
And it chirped the tires on all 3 gears.
Yeah. Someone's going to have a lot of fun with it.
You know, not just fun, but just reliable, safe, awesome.
Yeah. Yeah. The gentleman that had it before was 83, so it's just always been, we might be the only ones that have really screwed tires in it.
No,
Yeah.
it's impossible. That guy had to rip the tires.
yeah,
All you have to do is just touch the gas and you're ripping tires.
Yeah, it's a sweet car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.